The DJI Osmo? The Olympus Tough or the GoPro HERO11? Perhaps the Ricoh WG-70 or the Insta360 X3? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 waterproof cameras available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 waterproof cameras. The 5th product on this list is the GoPro HERO11. No other camera company has been able to transform a product into a lifestyle brand like GoPro, and the HERO11 is here to prove it. This company has introduced a slew of new features that make the latest camera a joy to use in any situation, while also checking a few boxes for professionals. This includes the new 1.9-inch sensor. With this monster sensor crammed into the tiny camera, we can now shoot in a new 8:7 aspect ratio, which captures a massive perspective and allows for various crop factors in post. In fact, the vertical field of view has increased by 16% over the previous camera. This model is small enough to mount in unusual places and has an ultra-wide lens, so you can put it on the front of your snowboard or surfboard, on top of your helmet, or facing you on the console of your motorcycle. This model also includes larger 27-megapixel screen captures and a new immersive digital lens called Hyperview, which is ideal for those point-of-view action shots. There's also an update in the works that will allow users to go into the GoPro Quick app and switch between all the digital lens options, so you won't be kicking yourself later if you leave it on one setting. You'll also appreciate how tough this waterproof camera is. The metal frame feels sturdy, and the camera can go 33 feet deep without using an add-on case. Lastly, all the mounting clips are integrated into the chassis and can be conveniently folded away for storage. Its pros are: it offers an extra-large canvas for your creativity by capturing more of the sky and horizon in every shot. It gives 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p. And it has a solid touch interface and voice command support. However, all those high-spec components are power-hungry, so the battery won't last more than a few hours. If you're looking for a durable, waterproof action camera that can record 5.3K 60 footage with excellent stabilization, go no further than the GoPro HERO11 Black. Up next in 4th place is the Insta360 X3. This is a dual-lens waterproof camera that captures everything around the camera and has a waterproof design that makes it ready for all adventures. Editors can do a lot with 360 footage, especially with the included software, and HDR processing improves picture quality in low-light situations. With a large touchscreen and waterproof construction, this powerful camera is well designed. Its touch composite exterior is in 2 dark gray tones, with a candy bar form factor that makes it easy to hold and allows the camera to stand up straight on its own. We also like how compact it is, measuring 1.8 by 4.5 by 1.3 inches and weighing just 6.3 ounces. It has a 2.3-inch color LCD screen that displays a good-sized preview from either lens. On one side, there's a touchscreen, one of the lenses, and a couple of control buttons. With the second lens on the opposite side, there's also a standard tripod socket on the bottom for attaching it to a selfie stick, tabletop tripod, or other support of your choice. In terms of waterproofing, this camera is rated IPX8 and can be submerged up to 33 feet. It's also built to withstand a beating, with a tempered glass cover on the touchscreen. What's more, this camera's battery provides about 80 minutes of record time per charge, but it's removable, so you can swap a spare in for extended use. Its pros are: it has a large touchscreen with a straightforward interface and swipe gestures to switch to playback mode, access the main menu, or take manual control over exposure. It has an IPX8 rating, so it can withstand knocks and be submerged up to 33 feet. And it features flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms that come together to deliver incredibly smooth videos. However, it can be a bit of a learning curve to grasp the 360-degree editing process. The Insta360 X3 is a powerful waterproof camera that includes all of the features needed to capture even the most exciting adventures. It's the best option for travel vloggers and tourists. Still haven't found a waterproof camera that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Ricoh WG-70. Here we have a rugged camera with a lot of features that make it an excellent choice for most photographers. Its robust construction ensures underwater shooting at depths of up to 14 meters for up to 2 hours. Its solid airtight body is not only waterproof, but also shockproof against falls from 10 feet in height. It's also dustproof, freeze-proof down to 14 degrees, and crush-proof against weights of up to 220 pounds. This means it can perform admirably and consistently in harsh, demanding outdoor conditions. The camera's exceptional image quality is another selling point. It comes equipped with a back-illuminated CMOS image sensor, which assures excellent high sensitivity and low noise characteristics and high-speed readout of image data signals. When combined with a high-performance imaging engine, this image sensor offers a top sensitivity of ISO 6400 and super high-resolution images with approximately 16.0 effective megapixels. This model also includes advanced image processing functions enabled by the most recent super-resolution technology to ensure sharp, clear, high-resolution images even in low-light conditions underwater. To top it all off, this camera has some unique features, such as the handheld night snap mode, which automatically captures several images of the same nighttime scene and combines them into a single blur-free composite image. Lastly, not only is this unit waterproof down to 45 feet, but it has a special underwater mode that optimizes the white balance, making colors appear more natural by adding reds that tend to get lost in photos taken underwater. Its pros are, it features a rugged chassis that you can rely on in the harshest conditions. It offers a high-speed movie mode for recording slow-motion video, and its monitor brightness can be increased by up to 2 steps to make dark areas of the display easier to see in sunlight. However, it does not offer a microphone and headphone socket, which means that you get little control over the audio. The Ricoh WG-70 is new to the market, but it impresses immediately with its tough, compact build that's ideal for capturing underwater footage and images. The second product on this list is the DJI Osmo Action 3. Design-wise, this next device may be as cookie-cutter as the Action Cam gets, but that doesn't mean it's not innovative and highly functional. It's essentially an extruded rectangle with a lens, a large rear touch display, and a color display on the front. It weighs 5.1 ounces and measures 1.7 by 2.8 by 1.3 inches. This small size is because it is designed for mounting, and while it lacks a photo-style tripod socket, anyone will appreciate the detachable mounting clip system. It's still compatible with GoPro mounts, and while the clip requires a thumb screw to secure it, moving the camera from one mounting point to another is quick if you have multiple clips. It has bottom plate connection points for direct mounting and comes with a cage with side attachment points so you can orient the camera vertically for 9:16 recording. Of course, this camera is waterproof without needing an external case and can even withstand pressure of up to 52 feet below the surface. It's also built to last, with the metal frame and Gorilla Glass covering the lens. It's rated to withstand drops from 4.9 feet. The interface is also quite simple. It has 2 buttons on the side, the power mode and record, while the touch screens are used to change the remaining settings. It also has visible icons for changing resolution and frame rate and swipe gestures for switching between recording, playback, and menus. Voice commands are also supported, so you can control the camera by saying start recording or stop recording. Its pros are, it features an HDR video that delivers vivid yet natural details, even in high contrast scenarios. It has a feature called Horizon Steady, which keeps things smooth and ultra-level for epic footage of even your wildest rides. And it has a 160 min-max battery life and can power even 150 minutes of continuous recording in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. However, it strictly requires smartphone activation before you can use it. When it comes to frame rates, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is a great choice for a waterproof camera, and vloggers will absolutely love its stereo mic and front-facing touch LCD. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best waterproof camera is the Olympus Tough TG6. This is Olympus's 6th generation premium underwater camera. It has a 12 megapixel sensor, an 8x optical zoom lens, numerous sensors, and severe weather protection. It is a pocketable, ultra-rugged camera with diverse features that will appeal to a wide range of users, especially its build quality, which remains the best in its class. Its chassis is strong enough to chop wood, but doing so would probably void the warranty. Its auto mode can handle almost any situation, and its numerous scene modes are well organized for those in the first group. Going underwater? Simply select the fish mode on the mode dial, where you will find 5 appropriate options. We also like that its underwater housing allows the camera to go 50 feet deep, while the wide angle and fisheye conversion lenses give you more photo options. What's more, There's even an option to fire Olympus flashes wirelessly, so you can get in the shot too. Divers and other adventurers can also use the camera's sensors and tracking capabilities to see where they were on their journey when they took a photo. The environmental sensors include a GPS, altimeter, and depth gauge, compass, accelerometer, and thermometer. When you're out and about, pressing the info button shows you all the data the camera is collecting. Finally, the camera's close-up features allow you to capture subjects up to 0.4 inches away. It also has a digital microscope mode, which will enable you to zoom in up to 4 times more than usual without sacrificing image quality. So if you're the sort of person that spends more time in the water than out and want to enjoy high-resolution images of all your underwater adventures, this is the perfect camera for you. Its pros are, it has a variable macro system comprised of 4 shooting modes to suit your environment and subject. It features 5 underwater modes, including an underwater microscope and 3 underwater white balance modes, so you can get true-to-life color depiction. It's built to endure all the extreme environments you love exploring, and it's extremely lightweight and compact, so you can easily slip it into your bag anywhere you go. However, it doesn't have a touchscreen interface. The Olympus Tough TG6 is an incredibly tough waterproof camera with a slew of unique features that make it a superb choice for backpackers, divers, and anyone else who enjoys traveling, swimming, and taking amazing photos. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.